By whom were the men directed who thus spoke for God? 2 Peter chapter 1 verse 21 says, For the prophecy came not in all time by the will of man, but holy men of God spake as they were moved by the Holy Ghost.